this is your liver right here.
Okay.
And it's made up of a whole bunch of units. The smallest functional unit of the liver is a lobule, which is hexagonal in shape. Now that hexagonal unit can be broken down to subunits, which are your portal triads, which are these little triangles, or these sectors right here. Each sub-unit or sector has 3 vessels and a central canal.
Okay.
These 3 vessels are your interlobule hepatic vein, your interlobule bile duct, and your interlobule artery.
Is it the arterial and the venual?
What?
Like the arterial.
Arterial,
and the venual. Okay.
So these are your, at this point, these would be your arterial and venual. They come in over here, and then you can see the triad at each of the corners. And that's what you're seeing here is the triad, just at different shapes. And so if we take this sector and blow it up and look at it here, what we see, I hope I don't make you seasick when you watch this, is your bile duct, your artery, and your vein. This vein is coming from your hepatic portal vein, so it's bringing in all the blood that's been drained from the abdominal cavity, and it's very nutrient rich. It's oxygen poor but nutrient rich. Your arterial vessel is bringing in oxygenated blood. They drain into this area here called your sinusoids. These are capillary vessels that are leaky, and they've got big holes in them so that larger molecules can flow out. In these sinusoids, you've got these star-like cells called Kupffer cells. These are macrophages that clean up the area, kill pathogens, get rid of debris. Then all along these you have hepatocytes. And there's a space between here. I don't actually make you guys know this, but in this space, this is where things are getting detoxed. You have your P cytochrome 450s that are breaking down molecules. Once they're broken down, they're absorbed by the hepatocytes, and then the hepatocytes do whatever needs to be done to them. Then between each hepatocyte, there's these little caliculi that drain out the bile that's being made. All that bile gets collected, emptied into the bile duct, taken down to the gallbladder, or directly into the pancreas where it can be released.
So that we don't need to know that?
It doesn't hurt to know that. You should know that. So I think I hit the major points of this. I didn't make you know this, but these are called zones. And the closer to your arterial supply is zone 1. Furthest away is zone 3. This is most oxygenated, so it's least likely to be damaged if there's ischemia. However, it's most exposed to pathogens that might be in the blood, such as your virus, so you can get the hepatitis most easily here.
Okay.
Here you're most likely to see fibrosis or necrosis, and so when you get cirrhosis, this is the first place it's going to show up.
Okay. Makes sense. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.